Quick Release. Press and hold the gimbal's power button to turn off the gimbal. Loosen the locking knob at the bottom of the camera mounting plate and slide the camera out of the camera mounting plate. Tighten the locking knob. Lock the 3 axes. Unlock the locking lever of the grip on the side of the gimbal and slide the gimbal out of the grip. Loosen the standard tripod. Quick assembly. Tighten the standard tripod to the grip. Unfold the tripod. Mount the gimbal into the grip port and lock the side lock. Unlock the 3 axes of the gimbal. Loosen the locking knob at the bottom of the camera mounting plate. Slide the camera until the memory slider clings to the mounting plate, and then tighten the locking knob. Press and hold the power button to turn it on. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description.